Today I'm going to show you what is included in the Dash Robots kit. Dash is a robot that brings out a child's creativity while exercising their critical skills. Students can program Dash to sing, dance, move objects around, and respond to voice. This kit is designed for 2 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge card at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another and have step-by-step activities, games, and challenges for the Dash robot. In the envelope, you will find a Wonder Workshop manual, a Meet Dash instructional manual, and a launcher setup guide. The Dash kit contains a Dash robot, 2 building block brick connectors, and a USB charging cord. You will also find the Dash launcher kit that contains a launcher, 1 black launcher connector, 3 balls, and 6 target stackers. There will be a xylophone kit with a xylophone and an orange xylophone mallet. To turn on Dash, press the white power button on the side of the robot. You can also press the same button to turn off the robot. If the robot has been idle for 15 minutes or longer, it will turn off by itself. The robot will come partially charged and ready to use. You will need to charge the battery when the battery is low. The app will allow you to see the battery level. To charge the battery, connect the small side of the USB charging cable to the port on the robot and the larger side to the port on the Chromebook. When the robot is charging, you will notice the white light flashing. It takes the robot about an hour to hour and a half to fully charge. The Dash will connect to the student's Chromebook using Bluetooth through the app. Meet Dash and see what it can do. You can push the power button to wake up Dash. Speak to Dash and it will turn to you. Press the buttons on Dash's head and see what happens. Place your hand in front of Dash and it will react. The 2 blue building block connectors can be connected to the sides of Dash's head or legs. Legos can be connected to these to create gadgets for Dash. The xylophone introduces children to programming through music. The launcher allows the students to launch balls. To connect to the xylophone, launcher, and sketch kit, follow the recommended steps in the setup guides or browse to the makewonder.com to find the setup resources for Dash. Students can download the Wonder apps for their Dash on their Chromebook to program Dash. You can find the apps at makewonder.com/apps. A fully charged robot will allow 2 to 3 hours of use time. You can also learn more about the different resources and activities on your Wonder website, makewonder.com. Visit the Dash Getting Started page to learn more about Dash. Please charge Dash and make sure it is powered off before returning. If you use any of these accessories, make sure all components are removed from Dash and placed into their correct boxes. One more thing to remember, once you assemble the launcher, you won't be able to fit that into the box, so it might be inside loose in the container. Please reach out to your EdTech with any questions, and don't forget to check the Maker Kit website for more information and ideas. Thank you.